y'all, so I have on the unit, which is so pretty. The lace melted, so pretty. Now let me show y'all the hair. Now it looks really big, right? But it's very light and airy. Now this is the Unice Kinky, so it has like the waves in it. This hair is really, really pretty, and it looks really, really natural in person. So I am going to flat iron the unit just a little bit, and then we'll try to put a little bit of curls in it just to show y'all, but it looks really big right now. So of course we have to flat iron it. It feels so soft. Let me get really close. Look at that, so pretty. And then it has the middle part. I'm gonna use some of my serum for a nice shine, and we're gonna flat iron it. Okay, y'all, so this is how the hair turned out. It's so gorgeous. Think of this hair like a really good curly unit flat ironed. That's the best way I can describe it. Like, it doesn't feel like your yucky textured wig. It doesn't feel like that at all. It feels like just yucky, soft, nice. Look at that. Nice hair. It's so pretty. I'm gonna put a couple of curls on the side just to show y'all that the hair does curl, and I decided to do a side part. This unit can be worn glueless if you want to wear it glueless. Y'all know I like to glue mine down because I'll wear it for like a day or two. This one is really pretty. I plan on dyeing this one, and I have to melt my lace a little bit better on this side, but really pretty. I need my hot comb, but it's not in here, so couldn't do that. But this is where the unit falls on me. Really cute. Now let's put a curl in it just to see if this hair curls. Let's see. I've been meaning to get me some more curling irons. I want to get like some really big ones, because I usually like my curls to be pretty big. Oh yes, that looks really pretty. Can y'all see the curl? Look at that. Okay, and it does hold a curl. Y'all know I'm not the best at hot curling my hair, but it does hold a nice little curl for us, so we love that. This hair is really, really pretty. Really pretty, really, really soft. I would recommend this unit. So cute. I'm gonna just puff it up a little bit in the top. Yeah, something like that. I think that looks really cute. Push this side behind my ear. That cute. So pretty. So if you guys are interested in this unit, I'll have all the information along with the discount code in the description box below.